iOS 13, Overview of what's new, supported devices, release date. All that is known about iOS 13. iOS 13, the operating system for the new generation of iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch is under active development. Despite the fact that the release date of iOS 13, September 2019, there is already a lot of information about the upcoming update. In this article, we collected all the reliable information about the update and told us what will be new in iOS 13 and which devices the firmware will support. The month of the announcement of each new version of iOS is known in advance. Apple traditionally introduces new firmware at the WWDC Developer Conference, which takes place in June. In the case of iOS 13, no changes are expected in Apple's standard scheme. iOS 13 will be presented at the WWDC 2019 conference, which will be held in the first half of June. The official announcement of the WWDC 2019 will be held at the end of May 2019. Moreover, we predicted the most likely date for the presentation of iOS 13, based on the dates of the WWDC conference in previous years. Apple typically hosts a WWDC conference on the first Monday of June. If in 2019 the company does not change itself, then iOS 13 will be presented on June 3rd. The second likely presentation date is the second Monday of June, which is also sometimes chosen for the WWDC conference. Thus, iOS 13 can also be presented on June 10. iOS 13 will support from iPhone SE to iPhone XS Max, iPad Pro all models, iPad 6th generation, iPad 5th generation, iPad Air 2, iPad Air, iPad Mini 4, iPod Touch 6th generation,